Right, I have to make some screws for my snap lock hardware. So this is the original screw. This is after I grind the circumference, and this is after I grind the flat and bring it down. When it sits in the latch itself, this one is too high and too fat at the top, basically. So that's why I have this three-step process. Let me show you how I'm doing that. So basically what I'm doing is chucking up the screw in my cordless drill and then running, like I say, running that radius against the teeth of the file. And I've kind of got it down to where I see the reveal that I want. It's basically about just one stroke up here. Oops, wrong way. No, we'll need it. Okay, that looks pretty good. Then from there I go to the next step. And I take this file and hold it against the screw, rotating in the clockwise. Yeah, clockwise. And what I'm doing is I hold it at a slight angle this way, like this, so that I cut more from the halfway out, or the center to the outside, and then I come back and level it up. Alright, that looks pretty good. Just checking, basically what I'm doing is taking that thickness that band and removing all of it, or nearly all of it. Okay, and then I'll check the fit. It looks pretty good. Might be, this one might be a tad high. It can be a little high, but it can't be too high. I might rechuck this and take some more off of the flat side here, just a little bit. Alright, so here's the latch. Open and then pull apart so you can see what's going on here. You can see it's got a locating pin, a male part that fits into the female part here, and when that goes together, that obviously registers the two together and then locks together. You can see it's got a little spring ball detent here to keep it from flying open, which is really nice. So the way I'm going to install them is I've taken one hinge and taped it together so that when I go to locate it on the case, I can use it to reference where to locate the 4 holes. And to do that, I'm just going to use my transfer punch, locate the, make a little detent location hole in the piece, and then screw it in place. So well, that's close enough. I'm just using my cut line to line up the line. All right, that looks pretty good, I think. Now I use this steel screw to make my threaded pilot hole there. That one hole looks like it's going to be too high. Find out here. Yeah. Got to redo this hole on the left. All right, so the lesson I learned there is I should, when I put my punch in here, or transfer punch, yeah, I want to hold it toward the cut line. So we'll do the old toothpick and glue trick on this one. Now this was a perfect spot to use super glue. So what I did was I put glue in the hole and accelerator on the toothpick, and that worked out really good. So now I'll try and re-drill this hole here. Yeah, you can see that that new hole I made is on the bottom side of the toothpick. There we are. Success. All right, 3 more. And we'll take a look at it. Now, in order to get a better fit, I found that if I take that, when I use that steel screw to thread the hole, it raises the grain just a little bit. And if I take that off of there, like that. This lays a lot nicer. Well, there she is. No, I'm not sure that I needed 4 of these, but there's a lot of weight in this case. And I've got to get these pins glued in yet. I think that'll make this cover come off a little bit easier. I like it. Turned out really nice. It's gonna be, it'll last a long time. Longer than I'm around anyway. Thanks for watching.